Look at that. It's perfect. Hey y'all, Bear here. Camp Cooking Tuesday time. That's right. And we're gonna do some chicken and mushrooms. And you know, I think I did a chicken and mushroom recipe last year. I went back and looked at it, and honestly this one's completely different. So we're doing it again. Alright, so this time we got some cilantro, salt, crushed red pepper, a whole mess of butter, some garlic, a chicken bouillon, and water to make our chicken broth. So let's get to cooking. Alright, where's my recipe? That's right, I gotta follow the recipe too. I've never cooked this before. We're gonna use my No Limits cook set today, the big cook pot. And we need fire. Woo, there we go. We need our pan on the stove. I don't need it so screaming hot. And we need half our butter, 2 tablespoons. I know. I'm not saying you should eat this every night. Now it says to get the butter frothy. I think we're about there. And put our chicken in and start browning it off. I've got 2 boneless, skinless thighs. Now at this point my instructions say to lightly salt the thighs. And that's because we're going to have salt in the broth. There we go, chicken salted. And we're going to cook the chicken's thighs about 5 minutes on each side till we get them nice and golden brown. Alright, while the chicken's cooking, we can get our garlic ready. Ooh, those are big cloves. Let's see here. Now the recipe calls for big hearty hunks of garlic, but you cut it up however you want, however big or thin or small or chunky or whole that you want, okay? It's your garlic, it's your recipe. How do you like it? Today I'm going to stick with the recipe and do pretty big hearty chunks, but I'm going to go on the side of less garlic than more garlic. I'm doing half a recipe, which would be 3 to 5 cloves, and I'm using the 3. Time to flip the chicken. Let's see what we got going on. I hope you can see it okay. It's kind of dark under here. Ooh. Oh yeah, they browned off nicely. Let's see, where's my little light? Let's see if you can see what we got. Oh, isn't that pretty? All right, 5 more minutes. Let's go prep some more vegetables. Now, when we're out there cooking at camp, you know, we've got options. Today I need some lemon in this recipe, and we can use fresh lemon. We could use this crystallized lemon that's dehydrated, or I have some lemons that I've dehydrated at home, some slices, and that's what I'm going to use today. I'm going to put a couple of these in while the sauce boils away. Alright, at this point we're going to remove the chicken and reserve it. It's not quite done cooking yet, but we've seared it off. And we'll come back and finish cooking it in a little bit. So now we need to put the garlic in. Now we're going in with these whole mushroom caps. I gotta keep it all moving around so we don't burn anything. And we need the rest of that butter. That obnoxious amount of butter. We need 2 more tablespoons. I want to get my heat just as low as I can because we don't want to burn the garlic. That'll make it bitter. And if you need to, just pull it off the flame for a second. It doesn't have to stay on the stove the whole time. We're going to add a few red pepper flakes, however hot you like it. You just keep dumping. Man, it smells so good. Okay, I relocated to some hopefully better lighting. Our mushrooms have been going in the garlic butter for about 5 or 6 minutes. We're going to add our stock and our chicken back, along with our lemon. I'm going to throw a little bit of cilantro in for seasoning now, and then we'll pull that and top with fresh cilantro when we're done. Alright, let's give our chicken a temperature check. Alright, so our chicken's plenty done. I'm going to let that cook the top off for a minute and reduce that sauce down some. Go ahead and pull my lemon pieces. Can. Come here. Alright, lemon, where are you at? There you are. Man, that's just screaming for some rice to throw in there. Oh, let's plate it up. And in this case, I don't know that I'm going to use all that pan sauce. That's an awful lot. Oh yeah, we're gonna top it with some cheese. Chicken, and give me a chicken. A little bit of pan gravy never hurt, right? Going in with the Parmesan. Fresh cilantro. Oh, let's see, can we find the perfect bite? Let's see. Oh man, chicken's nice. Mushroom, some cilantro. Come here, cilantro. There we go. One bite. No, you can't get that in the Mountain House bag. And we'll see you on the trail.